guys, welcome once again to this channel. My name is Lindsay Shans. For those of you who are new here, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I don't take it for granted. So this is a continuation of our cleaning reset video. So I couldn't capture everything, so as we are speaking right now, I already returned the curtains. The curtains are set. So now what I want to do is that I want to now decorate here and there, not so much, but throw in some things here and there. Remember on our last video, I told you guys that when I'm hosting kids, I always remove bright things that I know might get dirty from time to time, and because I don't want to clean all the time, I just remove them until when my kids are back to school, and then I return them. Okay, so today I want to return all the pillows, the carpet is going back, and then I'm going to decorate the corner that I told you that I'm working on. So I want you to see, and then you tell me down on the comment section what you feel about that. Okay, so kindly, if you've not subscribed, subscribe, like and share. So disclaimer on this video today, guys, we are going to have a lot of background noise because it's on a weekend and the kids are back home. My kids are playing outside with their friends, so you might hear some noises. Kindly bear with me, it's kids playing. Yeah, and that is normal. Okay, so without further ado, I don't want to take much time introducing this video. Let's start. Yeah, so I think I'm going to start with putting the carpet, and then what's going on next is the pillowcases, and then I'm going to decorate that corner. I'm so happy, guys. Ooh, that corner has been there. I'm going to show you how it looks like right now. It's just making the house look like I don't know, a tunnel, because my house is big. So that corner, I really felt like I should just do something to just make it brighten up the house. Yeah, in short. So let me do that. I hope you enjoy the video. Kindly don't forget to like, support me by liking and subscribing if you have not. So let's start the video, guys. So guys, that is what I've done. I think you've seen how I've thrown in 1-2 things here and there. Yes, and right about now, I now want to decorate this space. The noise, guys, the noise. But anyway, so now I want to decorate this space, this here. Yeah, this is like my entryway. So this is where, this is my door. My door is here. So this is where people enter through. So I thought like I want to decorate this space, at least isikue hivyo wazi, because as at now, let me just show you how it is when you enter. That is how it looks like, okay? So it's just bare, it has nothing there, and I felt like if I pull in something hapo kwa entryway itakaa vizuri, okay? So now that is what I want to do right now, guys. Let's see how it will turn out. Tell me down on the comment section, guys. Tell me what you think about the look, the new look. Sawa, kama nimechoma, tell me, guys. But I hope it's going to turn out cute. It look good. It will blend well with the house. So without further ado, again, I don't want to talk so much. Let's get into it. guys, that is it. I don't know what you think about it, guys. You can tell me down on the comment section, but for me, I feel like it's all good. It looks beautiful, it's nice. So you can just comment down on the comment section, tell me what you think about this new look. So for me, I'm content, yeah. So you can just tell me down there. And that is all what I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you've not subscribed, kindly, giving you this opportunity to kindly subscribe on this channel. Like the video, share, by the way, and support a girl, okay? So thank you so much for your time. See you on another video. I probably will be cleaning my dining area, yeah. So see you on that side. See you. So ensure, by the way, I'm sorry guys. So ensure when you subscribe, you will also click on the notification bell so that anytime I get to upload a new video, you get to be notified. Till next time, it's bye bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye guys.